let's have a look at this. It says that there is an equation in log which is given to you, and you have been asked the value of 100x over here, right? Now let's rearrange this equation to take all the log values on one side. So we have 5 is equals to log base 10 root over of 1 plus x. Then you will have another positive log over here, which is log base 10 1 by under root of 1 minus of x square. And this 4 times of log base 10 root over of 1 minus x will go on the other side, and you will have this as your value on the other side. Now, if you look at it very closely, this 4 can go as a power of root over of 1 minus x, and that will change this and make it what? Log base 10 root over of 1 plus x plus of log 1 by root over of 1 minus x square, and this will become minus of log base 10 1 minus of x whole square of this. Why? Because root over of 1 minus x will have a power of 1 by 2 and multiplied by 4 will make it a square over here. So this is what we get. So this becomes 5 is equals to log base 10 root over of 1 plus x multiplied by 1 by root over of 1 minus x square, and then divided by 1 minus of x whole square. So that will go in the denominator and become 1 minus of x whole square. Right? Now, if you watch this very carefully, you will realize 5 is equals to log base 10 root over of 1 plus x multiplied by 1 by root over of 1 plus x and 1 minus x. Root over of 1 minus of x. And then you have 1 by 1 minus of x whole square. This 1 plus of x will get cancelled out over here. What will you be left with is 5 is equals to log base 10 inside the bracket. What you are left with is 1 by 1 minus of x square into root over of 1 minus of x. So 2 plus 1 by 2 will make it 5 by 2, which is going to be the value over here because that will be 2.5. Right? Now, as a value of 5, which is equals to log base 10 1 by 1 minus of x to the power of 5 by 2, you can rewrite this with the basic definition of log as 10 power 5 is equals to 1 by 1 minus of x to the power of 5 by 2. You can rewrite this as 10 power 5, which becomes equals to 1 by 1 minus of x to the power of 5 by 2. That will ensure that this 5 will get cancelled out. You will have root over. So 10 is equals to 1 by root over of 1 minus of x is what you will be left with. Now, if you square both the sides, you are going to get what? You are going to get 100 is equals to 1 by 1 minus of x. That means 1 minus of x will be 1 by 100. That means 1 minus 1 by 100 is the value of x, and x will be what? 99 by 100. Your question was not interested in the value of x, your question was interested in the value of 100x. So 100x is going to be equals to what? 99 by 100. So that is going to be equals to 99. So 99 becomes the answer for this question.